It is 12:45 in the afternoon, 96 degrees. Probably not much humidity to speak of. I didn't even look at it. I am up at the pool. Can you believe it? What is wrong with these people? It's empty. I have it all to myself. I guess that's kind of a bonus. Look at my sky though, it's disgusting. That's looking towards Big Bear. And this was straight east. Lots of microwave action going on up there. The sun is pretty warm. I put all my stuff in the shade. I'm gonna sit in the shade. It scares me. There it is. I can't go all the way around. I have a building right behind me. So you guys have a good day.